Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kishore Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Biotechnology, SRR, Government Arts and Science College. So today I am going to discuss you about the training program which was I attended recently, that is ICT tools in higher education. So this program was organized by the UGC HRDC, and this training was given by the Dhyanahita Educational Society. So, in this particular training program, in a one word, I can say that it's a very worthful program because I learned a lot and even many things. Many things, even though if I know earlier, but I don't know the usage of those particular things. But now, in during this COVID pandemic situation, these are the various tools they explained and they trained me about the various tools and various tools in a online teaching. So that were very useful for me, and now I'm very much confident to be teach in a online after this discussion. So here I am going to discuss you very basic things which I've learned by this training session. So this training session, which is started on 27th August and ended on 2nd September, and this was for the 6 days, and during these 6 days, I learned many things, and which now I am going to explain what are the things I have learned and I have practiced during this session. So here I am going to show you the basic things which I've learned, right? So you just see this. These are all whatever I learned all from the Google tools. Most of things on the Google tools. So in this one, I like very much about the Google Drive because earlier I know about the Google Drive, but I don't know how to organize these things and everything that you can be stored in a cloud storage. So cloud storage, what I understood from this training is which is not taking from our hard disk space. So definitely that can be stored in their respective Google storage. So in this particular training session, so I've created a folder that is 2020, where I've created 3 folders: courses, work, and personal. Even the courses, again, this is the what which I've created, that is ICT, because whatever the work or whatever my practice which was done for the 6 days, everything should be mentioned in this particular thing, right? So where I've created 3 folders, that daily work log, resources, and sites. And daily work log, you just see this on the day wise. What are the things which I have learned? Everything which I have mentioned and which I have saved in these respective drives. So this is to be an very much important to understand, that is the management system, that is file management system, because earlier my drive, if you look, that everything will be on zigzag, nothing will be on thing. So you can see here on the day one, especially we focused about the various activities of the mail. So what is the mail, and what are the different activities that are present in the mail, that everything which I've mentioned, which I've learned from this day one assignment. And if you not only this thing, and if you go back to this particular thing, So you can see I have created the my different kind of the websites, and you can just look my website where I have organized my personal details, and even the channels, whatever I mentioned, that everything will be given in this. And this is a very good learning from this training program. And not only this, even I learned many things about the add-on tools. That is also be pretty much interested. These add-on tools like in Certify Me and will go, like there are many add-on tools which I learned, and the creation of the survey forms, and how to create the survey forms, and the things, how to give an validation, that part also be I learned a lot. And not only this, even I learned the Google sites, not Google sites, Google Sheets. So this is also be very important. On Google Sheets I learned many things, how to grade the things, and even I learned the personal this formulation, because this was I never did in the sheets excels. So this was I learned. And not only this, and you can see, not only this, even one more important thing which I learned is about classroom. So the before training, even I know only about the classroom, which is a application from the Google, but I never used it. But this training has very much impressed me to use this Google Classroom. And in Google Classroom, I've this is what how to use utilize this Google Classroom. I was effectively learned. So you can see here I've created even surveys, materials, even the information also I have created for my students. This is for the I'm in even future, which I am going to be improve a lot. And that was the very important thing. And about the YouTube, anyway. I have created my YouTube channel, and I posted more than 50 videos, and those things which I know about the thumbnail, how to do it, and especially the video recording tools, that is online and offline. These are also be very much interested. And altogether, I can say only the one thing, because this is the what that each and every um, teacher has to know. Because even we can't expect the schools, colleges, university to be physically open for these students. So we hope that this particular academic year has to be go on to the online. So in this manner, that everyone has to be understand the various ICT tools for this online teaching, and which will help for us to learn and to be explore many different ways, and that will be ultimately useful for the student community. So I'm very much thankful to the Usmania University and Commissionerate of Collegiate Education about this training program. And in future, I am very much interested to participate these type of programs, because these have given a very beautiful experience about the usage of ICT aids. All right, thank you so much.